Today I'm teaching you how to make these cute Christmas sleigh treat holders. The printable is free on my blog at tipsfromatypicalmomblog.com. So you go to the blog and you search in the search bar. You can just search the word sleigh and it will bring you up to this post. Click on it and then you can choose one of the pictures to click on and it will bring you to a download of a zip file of all of the different colors of sleighs that you can choose from. So open up that zip file, click extract all, and then choose a place to save them. And then you'll have all of them to choose from. We're gonna do the red and green chevron. And then once you click on or double click on that, up in the right hand corner, you click on the print button and you'll want to print these on hard cardstock, white cardstock. So then you cut it out and you cut a little bit inside the black cut lines so that you don't see those black lines when you're done with the little cute sleigh. So you're gonna fold on all of the lines and especially make sure to do those little tabs. Stick a piece of tape on the little tab and then press it to the inside of the sleigh on the front and back. Then you're going to use a hot glue gun and do a stripe of glue on each side. And you're gonna put the little hook of the candy cane on the front part of the sleigh. I have weird candy canes. I don't know why they're so different sizes, but there you have it. Super cute.